Download TikTok on laptop and PC. So first, you just have to go to the search menu, and then here you have to type Microsoft Store. Now, once you found it, all you have to do is to click open, and this is what it looks like. You will see a different application here, but what you're going to do is to go to the search bar or look for the search bar, and then here you have to type TikTok, click the magnifying glass icon, or tap enter. And then here you will see TikTok and any other application related to that. But what you're going to do is to click the very first one here, tap this one, and you have to look for the button that says get. If you will see a button here that says get, all you have to do is tap that one, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So it is now starting to install or download. And then once done, you will see this button open, tap this one. It will take you directly to your TikTok application. Now, if you don't have a TikTok yet, you can sign up using your Google account, your number, or there are other ways here on how to create your TikTok. If you have your TikTok already, all you have to do is to click sign in. So you can sign in using your WhatsApp, your Google account, your Kakao Talk, your email, and Facebook. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.